Hello everyone. I am Dr. Shantanu Khandesh, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering, YCC. The history of Civil Engineering Department is way back. In 1986, we have a date of inception, and in last 36 years, we have grown with leaps and bounds. We have started with the construction engineering with an intake of 60 students. Then it was increased to 120, then reduced to 60. Then 15 years back, we have increased our intake to 120. And from last 5 years, we have an intake of 180 students in our department. We have a large department with almost 750 students in the department. All the NBA accreditations, NAC accreditation has been done in an excellent way. And recently, we have been awarded 3 years extension in NB. We are having 3 courses being run by the department. One is UG with an intake of 180. Then we are having a full-time structural MTech in structural engineering with an intake of 25. We also have MTech in environmental engineering, which is having the intake of 80. And almost we are running in this slack time also, we are running these courses almost full because of the efforts taken by our faculty and other stakeholders. Looking at the practical aspects, whatever we teach, we are having state-of-art laboratories. And if you take a round of laboratories, you can see that state-of-art equipments are there, which can be used for all the purposes. We have crossed the figure of 15 lakhs per annum in the consultancy, which is an industrial consultancy. We have carried out the water analysis of areas which are lying in and around college. We carry out the water quality analysis of all the departments and colleges which are covered under this MGI group. Almost 30 college water quality analysis we are doing. The lab purchases which we have done, the faculty is very active. They are applying to the various funding proposals. This is the first of 18 labs we are having in the department. Strength of material labs essentially deals with the quality, quantity and various parameters related with the reinforcement like tensile strength, compressive strength, then fatigue level, hardness and so many. All these we have duplicated this lab. This is the old UTM what we are using. We have purchased a new one costing around 12 lakhs. That is a digital universal testing machine. Infrastructure is playing a major role in the development of country. Now, this particular lab relates with the road material testing. We can also call this as a road material testing lab, wherein aggregates and bitumen, the various tests on bitumen and aggregates are being carried out. And you know the huge influx in the infrastructure. The water resource engineering is playing predominant role in an agricultural based economy of India. Here all the experiments related with the various aspects of irrigation, fluid mechanics, pressure calculations, everything is done over here. And you can see the modern laboratories and equipments what has been used for performing the different experiments. So my dear student friends and parents, these were the glimpses of civil engineering department. Whatever I have explained you in a short time span, that is not enough which I want to share with you. There are lot many things which I want to share with you and more about the future of civil engineering. You can say what are the scopes at PG level and so many other things are there. We can meet again on a live webinar on 6th of June 2020 at 11 am sharp, where you can register and you will get a registration link and we can discuss about the future of civil engineering, scope after doing B, and what are the research and other activities which you can carry out as a civil engineer. And even we have a lot of work to be done in the research field. So see you on 6th at 11 am sharp. Thank you very much.